Hello guys, welcome. In this video, let's see how to put your phone on 4G or 5G network in the easiest way. Before getting into the video, I am on journey to reach 5,000 subs at the earliest, so it will help me bring you more tutorials like this. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To switch your phone to 4G or 5G network, follow these steps based on your device type. For Android phones, 1. Open Settings. Locate and open the Settings app on your Android device. 2. Network and Internet. Tap on the Network and Internet option. 3. SIM and Network. Select the SIM option you want to configure. 4. Preferred network type. Look for preferred network type or a similar option. 5. Select network. Choose between 4G, 5G, or both. If you want to enable 5G, select it from the list. If you want to switch to 4G, select the corresponding option, which may be labeled as LTE or 4G. For iPhones, 1. Open Settings. Tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Cellular. Select the Cellular option. 3. Cellular data options. Tap on Cellular data options. 4. Voice and data. Choose a voice and data. 5. Select network. Here you can select 5G, 5G Auto, or LTE. To enable 5G, choose either F5G on or 5G Auto. For 4G, select LTE. By following these steps, you can manage your phone's network settings effectively to utilize either 4G or 5G connectivity. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching till the end. Do consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel.